Srishti.
Hi, I'm Soumya.
And today we are headed to the Two Roads studio where we'll be supporting our sister Dolly Aswini's project, The Kind Citizen.
And the main purpose of today's event is to demonstrate how women's jewelry is made. So all things like earrings and necklaces and friendship day bands will be made like hands-on at the Two Roads studio, and we'll be learning from them, but not just about how the process of jewelry making, but what their lives are like and what financial security and earning their own money means to them. So that is going to be the more spiritual and emotional part of the event, apart from the mechanics of it all.
And of course, when so many women come together, there's a lot of sharing that happens. There's a lot of love that's exchanged between people. So I'm really looking forward to just meeting these people and getting to know a little bit about their lives and sharing a little bit of my life with them. So this is going to be totally what sisterhood is about, a space filled with women getting together for a purpose, for a single purpose. So today's purpose is jewelry making, but at the end of the day, we're just trying to encourage women to be a part of things with one another and uplift one another. So it's going to be pretty interesting, right?
It's going to be a lot of fun, a lot of learning for me on the way, because I feel like when you see anybody else on their journey, there's always something to take away. And हमने जब ये space खोला था almost 7-8 महीने पहले, the main goal was that we want to be able to create that ecosystem where women support each other, not where women are jealous of each other, or not where they're trying to compete with each other.
Okay, so now we have reached the Two Roads studio. Let's go in. We're here. This is our reception. This is where a lot of important meetings happen. And now this here is our main hall. And it's pretty large. It can accommodate about 50 people. And today we have organized floor seating here so that people are comfortable sitting on the floor and making the jewelry that they're going to be making. So a little bit of a cozy setup. We've removed all the chairs and everything because we wanted people to just use the space like you would at your home. Probably sit down on the floor and make a piece of jewelry.
Yeah, it's going to just be something that is very casual, and we just want people to feel a homely vibe when they come here, because it is, in big cities, spaces are pretty restricted, especially when you go outside home. It's either a restaurant or a movie theater or some kind of a commercial setup. So just having that homely vibe where, which is welcoming and where you can really bond with one another and learn from each other is something that we've thought of in our heads while making this whole space come alive.
So I'm here with the project Amdani, and we're going to talk with these amazing ladies, find out a little bit about them and what they're up to.
Hi, so I am Pooja from The Kind Citizen, and we are basically a social matchmaking platform. We work with a lot of NGOs like Sadeh Sudev themselves, and today we are here to to celebrate Friendship Day with Didis of Sadeh Sudev. They will be helping us in making friendship bands, and also they will be telling us their stories, how they are working, how they are getting empowered by Sadeh. So that
sounds really amazing. So दीदी से पूछते हैं वो हमें क्या सिखाने वाली है आज. आपका नाम दीदी तो नहीं है ना?
नहीं.
अपना नाम बताइए.
मेरा नाम अंजू है.
और आपका नाम? आराधना. अच्छा, तो बताइए आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं?
ब्रेसलेट बनाने वाले हैं.
आपका अभी कितना बना है, आप प्लीज दिखा दीजिए.
मैं एक पूरा बना चुकी हूँ और उसके बाद मेरा ये बना है, and this is the one I'm making.
What is it that we are doing here today?
Thank you so much, Soumya, for asking this question. So, The Kind Citizen is a social enterprise that connects corporates, non-profits, and individuals together. And our mission is to make seva or volunteering accessible to every Indian, be it an individual, be it a corporation, or an organization or a foundation.
आज आप लोग सबको interact करते हुए देख के I'm feeling very proud and excited that we have created a space for community to come together. And obviously, I want to thank you all for being a part of this.
It was very interesting to hear about the journey that you've had in this sector, and I think there's a lot that Delhi needs in terms of connecting people with each other and connecting people to do something good. So thank you for being here with us today at Two Road Studio. Dolly.
Thank you so much, guys. I mean, everybody has to first get connected to these two beautiful, amazing, passionate women here, and their vision of supporting other female founders, especially in Delhi. We really needed one institution, one space like this, and I cannot be more grateful to you guys and Two Road Studio for your mission and vision. Thank you so much.
So we are at the end of a long day, and it's been very much what I expected, and a little bit more than that also, because people really ended up becoming friends with each other on Friendship Day. So
Strangers meeting for the first time and leaving as friends. That's what we do at Two Road Studio. I don't want to do a lot of self promotion, but that's exactly what it is.